discussing about ClickUp for workflows. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace here, and you will be searching for ClickUp. Here it is. You have to click on it, and first of all, you have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your sub account, or you can just choose multiple sub accounts if you have available. Continue with that. Allow and install, and it's successfully installed now. It's fetching the data. And the next move will be we will be choosing that sub account on which we have installed. Yeah, it's done. Let's just choose the sub account, and down below in the navigation bar, if you have installed it correctly, you can see it here, and you have to confirm first. For that, we have to set up the account and find for the API key. Basically, let's just do it. Here on the ClickUp account, I've already set up, and we have to find for the API key now. Let's just find for settings here, and in the settings down below you can find for apps. Here we are, and this is the API token. You have to copy. Now we are back to the platform, paste it here, submit, and it is successfully integrated now. Create workflow. Start from scratch. Now we are in the workflow builder. We will be creating a new workflow, and let's just create a new action. Find for ClickUp, and let's just create a new folder. To do that, so you have to name it, and you have to also find for the space ID. Let me tell. Now we are here in the ClickUp setup account, and we will be finding the space ID on this one, and on the top URL, the end one is the space ID. Basically, we will be copying that now, paste that here, save this action, and let's just create some notes with that. Find some notes, and in the custom values, ClickUp for workflows, space ID here. Save this action as well, and we will be testing our workflows. Run this test. Head towards the execution logs. As you can see, it is successfully executed. It is that much easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.